Hello dear students, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and studying well. So children, today the day is Tuesday and it is 24th of August 2021. So here is a fact for today children. So did you know that frogs don't drink water? They absorb it through their skin. So frog, it's an amphibian. It can live both on water and on land also. Yes. So frogs don't drink water. They never drink water. They absorb water through the skin. Now children, we will continue today chapter 7, time goes on. This will be the last class for this chapter. Okay. So let us see what we are going to do today. In today's class, we are going to do page number 110, 111 and 112. So let us proceed to our class. So in page number 110, we will read about one day in the life of Kusum. So we will set a time, okay, set a time and we will make a time in the given clock. So page number 111 is also the continuation of the same thing. So in page number 112, you will prepare your own daily routine. There is a time, you have to write the time in words on the clock and what do you do at this time. So this will over your chapter children. Okay, so let us proceed to our class now. So children, in this page we will write down the time or one day life of Kusum. So for some pictures the time is already written and you must draw the hands of the clock, and in others you have to write the time shown by the clock. So Kusum gets up early in the morning. Kusum gets up early in the morning. So here you can see that she gets up at 6 o'clock. Now here you have to write the time for Kusum. So you can write 6 at 6 a.m. in the morning. You can write at 6 a.m. in the morning. So next it's written Kusum, she brings water from the well at 6:30 in the morning. Now you have to draw the hands of a clock children. So 6:30 means the shorter hand will also be, let me take just thin. 6:30 means the shorter hand will be also in 6 and the longer hand will be also in 6. So your clock will look like this, 6:30. Okay, now next children, she cleans her house. So you can see the time. She cleans her house at 7:30. So here you will write 7:30 at 7:30 a.m. You can write this much only. Okay, at 7:30 a.m. Now next she goes to school at 8 o'clock. Now you have to make a time of 8 o'clock. So shorter hand will be in 8 and long hand will be in 12. So in this way you will draw 8 o'clock. Shorter hand will be at pointing towards 8 number and the longer hand will be at 12. Now next children, she is studying in school. So you can see the time, that is 10 a.m. So at 10 o'clock she is studying in school. So you will write, okay, this one is very thick, let me make it thin, at 10 o'clock. Otherwise you can write 10 a.m. also. Okay, at 10 o'clock. Now next children, she comes back from school 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock she comes back from school. So the shorter hand will be at 1 and the longer hand will be at 12. So this is at 1 o'clock she comes back in the school. Now this 3 you will do it yourself.
She takes lunch with her brother and grandmother. She plays with her friends 5:30 in the evening, and she listens to a story from her grandmother before she sleeps. These three you will make. If you have to make the hand of the clock, you will make the hand of a clock. Otherwise, if you have to write the time, you will write the time. So this one you will do it yourself. Now children, next one. Now prepare a chart showing your daily routine. This one you have to prepare a chart. Okay, you have to write the time in words. Okay, then after you have to draw the time on the clock. Then after you have to write what do you do at this time. For example, if you wake up at 7 a.m. okay, so you can write, you can give the time at 7 a.m. You can give the time at 7 a.m. After that you have to draw the hands of the clock. So 7 means your short hand of the clock will be pointing towards 7 and the long hand will be pointing towards 12. Yes, so this will be 7 o'clock. Now what you do at this time? You will write I wake up at 7 I wake up at 7. You can directly write 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Okay, so in this way you will feel all what you will what is your routine. You have to feel this all according to your routine. I will tell you again. And first you have to write the time at words, then after you have to draw the time on the clock, and what do you do at this time. So hope you understood how you have to do it. So children, this you can take the help of your parents also if you want. Okay, so children, this much for today's class. We have completed chapter 7 also. Okay, this is the last chapter from Math Magic book for your midterm exam. So practice well. Thank you everyone.